What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever met someone and instantly felt like you knew them forever? Yeah, me too. But sometimes, those first impressions can be a little awkward grimaces. Well, fear not, my friends. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the wisdom of Zen masters to learn 7 ways to make a killer first impression. Zen masters are all about inner peace and mindfulness. And guess what? Those qualities translate beautifully to the world of first impressions. So, grab your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button, and let's get Zen. Don't be glued to your phone. Make eye contact, smile genuinely, and listen actively. People can feel when you're truly there with them, and that creates a strong connection. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. Who would you rather chat with? The one focused on you, or the one scrolling through Instagram? You don't have to fill every space with chatter. Comfortable silences show confidence and allow the other person to share too. Think of silence as the space between musical notes. It creates harmony, not awkwardness. People love to talk about themselves. Ask curious questions that show you're interested in them. This isn't an interrogation. Think of it as opening the door to a fascinating conversation. A smile and a can-do attitude go a long way. People are drawn to positive energy, so let yours shine. Positivity is contagious. Spread the good vibes and watch connections blossom. Don't just hear the words, listen to the meaning. Show you care by nodding and offering thoughtful responses. Listening is a gift. Give it freely, and people will appreciate your genuine interest. Don't stress about being flawless. A little self-deprecating humor or a genuine oops can be endearing. Being perfect is boring. Embrace your humanness, and people will connect with the real you. A simple act of kindness, like holding a door or offering a compliment, can leave a lasting positive impression. Kindness is a universal language. Speak it often and watch the world smile back. There you have it, folks. 7 Zen secrets to making a stellar first impression. Remember, it's all about being present, kind, and genuinely interested in others. Now, go forth and conquer those first meetings. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.